Welcome back. This is Chili Davis, and I'm back to do another video. I want to welcome back all my subscribers and welcome to my new viewers. Thank you for taking your time to stop by my channel. Well, this morning, it's 1 week away from Thanksgiving. There's a lot of excitement in the air. Black Friday sales start pretty soon. So I think Cyber Monday. So we're getting into the holiday season. It's exciting. But I wanted to cover a few stocks this morning just really quickly. My top stocks, of course. But one stock in particular I wanted to talk about was Macy's. We are in the shopping season, ticker symbol M. Says Macy's is an American holding company founded by Xavier Warren back in 1929. Its establishment federated held ownership regional department store chains, Abrams, Strauss, Lazar's, Fellines, and Shalitos, and Bloomingdale's joined federated department stores. So that is Macy's. And then in the pre-market, they are up 10.57%. Now, if you haven't been a subscriber with me for a while, I did a video about a month ago about us going into the shopping season. I think it was probably mixed in there with the Affirm videos, but this is the retailing season. So this is the season where, you know, people are buying retail stocks. And then, of course, if they do well come January, February, they should report, you know, good revenue, good earnings. Well, here it is. We have Macy's this morning is up over 10%. They are looking really good. This is Macy's shares rise as department store beats on earnings and hikes full year outlook. So that means they beat earnings estimate for the quarter, and then for the outlook going into the next quarter into 2022, Macy's gave that call this morning, 8 a.m. Eastern time. That is, let's see, I think about 5 minutes away. Let's see here. About 5 minutes away. Of course, all the information goes out. So, but Macy's is up over 10% in the pre-market. And I like Macy's. You know, I think everybody knows Macy's Shopping Center. If you're used to the big malls, I grew up with Macy's, and it's awesome. So if you look over last month, their stock is up over 9%. And if you look over the last 6 months, it's been up as well. So over the past 6 months. So this has been a really nice stock. I'm liking what I see in the chart of Macy's for the last 6 months to a year. They've done really well with this stock in 2021. 2021, the stock opened up at $12 back in January. And now here it is in November, December, we're looking at $33. So that is great. I just wanted to cover that information. Also, if you're ever in pre-market and you just want to check out what's going on, CNBC is a good indicator of what's happening in the market. If you got the Dow futures, this is like your oil and your banking stocks. And then you got the top S&P 500 futures index. This is like the top companies, whether that's a Tesla, that's an Apple. You know, those top 500 companies are in the S&P Standard & Poor Index. And then you have the NASDAQ. That's your pure tech. So that's your Nvidia, AMD, Facebook. They're all listed in here. And, you know, this index here is just saying the futures right now look good. Of course, you have oil, and then you have the 10-year T-note. This usually helps the Fed determine raise rates or not. The 10-year T-note, usually if it's pointing up, then they're indicating, you know, they're raising the interest rates. It's pointing down, it means they're lowering the interest rates, which is good for business, for low interest loans and stuff of that nature for business to business transactions. But oil, there's a lot of people that like own oil stocks, or they own a lot of stuff related to oil. So you're thinking oil tankers and oil wells, you know, stuff like that. But the indicators for today, Dow futures is up, S&P and futures is up. And in about 1 hour, when the market opens, you'll see, you know, the reaction. Many of these stocks will be in a positive, dependent depending on what happens. But really quickly, just to show you that in my portfolio, things that reported yesterday, Nvidia shares, after being down on yesterday, they were sitting in about $290 per share. Today, they are up over 8% in early trading. Again, this has to do with a lot of the trends in the market, chip related stocks. Nvidia is up over 8% this morning. And I talked about this stock on, was that Saturday or Sunday? I can't remember now. But yeah, this is all part of the metaverse self-driving technology with companies like Tesla, Audi, Hyundai. They all use Nvidia's GPU technology. If you haven't watched my video from yesterday, check it out. I talk about Nvidia technology, how powerful it is. That ticker symbol this morning that's up early is BJ. BJ Wholesale's company is up. A lot of people are out shopping again. It's almost Black Friday, like I mentioned earlier. The shares were up 4.32% this morning. And Roblox shares continue to rise. They were up 3.73% this morning. And ticker symbol AMD is up 2.82%. So those are my top stocks. Again, I just led the video with a retailing giant, Macy's. Macy's is up and they are reporting earnings here in they are reporting earnings now at 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. And in the pre-market, they are up between 9 and 10% on the day. And if you look at over the year, they've done an excellent job. There's also discussions on spinning off part of the company too. So that could be one reason why insiders are excited about Macy's. It's going to be a great company. And as we know, people are back out shopping in malls. One of Macy's best places to buy their stuff. Macy's is up this morning over 10%. So I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like, share, and have a great day.